In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo clickable in Webflow. Making your logo clickable is an essential aspect of web design, as it provides users with an easy way to navigate back to the homepage of your website. So, let's dive in and make this happen. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Webflow's website. If Webflow is new to you, it's a visual website builder that allows you to create stunning custom websites without needing to write code. Once there, find the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. The dashboard is your command center, where you can see all your projects. It's time to choose the project you want to work on. Click on the project where you wish to make your logo clickable. Inside your project, look for the Add Elements button. This is usually located on the left-hand side of the Webflow editor. Clicking on this will open up a menu of elements that you can add to your project. These elements range from basic text and image blocks to more complex functionalities. In the Elements panel, use the search bar and type in Link. This will help you quickly locate the link elements available. We are particularly interested in the link block, so when you see it, click on it to add it to your canvas. Now that you have the link block in your project, it's time to nest the logo within it. Simply drag and drop your logo image into the link block. This is a crucial step because by placing the logo image inside the link block, you essentially convert the entire logo into an active link. Make sure that your link block is selected and look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a settings panel. Here you can specify the URL you want the logo to link to. It's common practice to link the logo back to your homepage, providing a universal navigation anchor for your visitors. After you've set the URL, take a moment to preview your work. Webflow provides a convenient preview mode, so use this to ensure everything behaves as expected. Your logo should now be clickable and redirect users to the designated page. That's it. You now have a clickable logo in Webflow that seamlessly links back to your homepage or any page you desire. This small but significant change enhances user experience by providing an intuitive way to navigate your site. Keep exploring Webflow's features to find more ways to enrich your website's design.